Hi everybody, Felipe Pereira again. Today we're talking about troubleshooting. Yeah, maybe you followed all the steps of our videos, you did everything perfectly, but you still cannot see your campaigns running on your website. Yeah, I know it must be frustrating, but no worries. I will give you a couple of options and tips and how to check if your integration process is okay, where is your problem, so you can reach out to us with more information so we can solve our problem faster. All right, so if you have any problem, first thing, you just reach out to us. You click here in my picture and say, hey guys, I have a problem, I'll be here to help you. All right, so let's say that you already created the campaign, you already integrated to your website, but the pop-up is still not displaying. All right, so I will give you a few ways. All right, maybe you have installed one of our apps. Let's say, for example, you installed Shopify app, and then you created your first campaign, and you went to your website. Let's imagine that your website is this one over here. Yeah, this is one of our clients in Brazil. So what the first thing you need to do is go on inspect, right, and you check the elements. If you do a Control F and you type for cdn.popconvert, you should be able to find our CDN. Our CDN is a file where all of our the information for our pop-ups will be showing. So if you don't have this file here, if you don't have the cdn.popconvert, it won't work. You know that the problem is in the installation. You need to find another way to insert your script. All right, so if you do find your CDN here, you can go to the next tab, that's console, and see what's happening. You see here PCW campaign not found. So we already have here this information that the campaign is not found. That's why you can't see anything here. You could have other information here, for example, no token found, or you could have some other information. No matter what, you don't need to know what's the problem. But if you take a print screen of this picture, of this page, and you send it over to us on the chat or email, your favorite support channel, will be so much easier for us to identify the problem and solve it for you. Yeah, I believe that softwares in general, they're never perfect. We're also never perfect, but we try our best, and we do the best we can to serve our customers in a high standards level. So we want to solve your problem as soon as possible. And if you go and do this little trick here, printing a screen of your console with the logs, will be so much easier for us. All right, so thanks for cooperating with us. I hope you don't go through this process, but yeah, if you do, we'll be right here to help and assist you in any moment you want. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.